guys? My name is Colby.
And I am Pearson.
And we're the Dirtbike Bros. Today we're going to be reviewing some of our bikes and show you what the channel's about. Now let's get right into it.
What about me?
Oh yeah, and this is my little brother too.
Alright, so what's up guys? I'm going to be doing the review on the CRF 50F Honda bike. So if you come up here, so first thing you want to do to start the bike is you want to click it from on the thingy. You want to go from off to run. The second thing you want to do is check for, if your gas is on. So it's off right now. So then you want to put it down to that. If you bring it over to this side, you'll see the Kickstarter right here. And you want to make sure you're neutral first of all. So kick this thing down on the left right here. Make sure you're neutral. And once you're neutral, you kick that down. If it doesn't do it, then just do it again. And once your bike sounds like this, you're neutral. So then you want to come over here and you want to kick this up like that. You'll feel a little boost and then you go. Then you can just coming to a stop, you want to take this thing, not this thing. This is your front brake. If you click this, you're going to go over the bars, which means you're going to flip over. But this is your back brake, so when you stop, it'll just stop normally. That is a review, and I give this thing is very fun. It's meant for smaller people, like maybe like from, what do you say, like 5 to 8? Yeah, 5 to 8. This is meant for like 5 to 8-year-olds. And yeah, so that's the review on this one. Alright, so now I'm going to be doing a review on the Honda XR70 pit bike. So the same thing as the last bike. Actually, this one's a bit different. On this side, you want to press it from this top button to the bottom button. The one that has an O at the bottom, or the redo thingy. So, second thing you want to do, make sure it's in neutral. Put your fuel down. And this one also has a Kickstarter, but if make sure it's down as well. And then Kickstarter the same way. You want to shift up again, like that, and then just ride. As you're riding, you're on 15 to 70 shift. Super good for like going around places, and it's actually a really fun bike. Has very good suspension and it goes pretty quick as well. That is it for the review of the Honda XR70 pit bike.
Guys, today we're going to be reviewing the CR85R. This is a Honda bike and it's 2-stroke and it's an amazing bike. So first off, what you want to do is you want to turn this little knob here called the gas knob. You want to turn that on right there. And then next, make sure you're in neutral by rolling it back and forth. If not, and you're in first, make sure you go down to first and then shift half up. Then you'll be able to roll anyway. Okay, next, what you want to do is you want to come over here and move this kickstand thing out so you can start it. So since you're in neutral, you don't have to pull the clutch in, which is this lever right up here. But if you're in a gear, then you pull the clutch in and then you kickstart it. So since I'm in neutral, I don't have to, pull the clutch in. So let's get started. You want to pull the clutch in and shift down into the first, over here. Then let the clutch out very lightly and you go off. Make sure you shift in the second when you're riding. That's it for the review for the Honda CR85R.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Hey, let's play follow the leader. I'll follow you.
Okay.
Alright, so this is going to be our POV of playing follow the leader around the neighborhood. And we'll probably do a gate drop over there.
Yeah.
Alright, let's start on the same time. 3, 2, 1. The bike was on. 3, 2.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, 3, wait. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Oh, I just stalled it. That was so funny. Yeah, I just stalled it. But that's POV. It's actually really fun to ride a dirt bike, guys. I'm very, very blessed to be able to ride these things, especially Pearson too. So, hope you guys enjoyed that POV. But now we're going to be doing like just a little pit bike thing. I'm going to put this 85 away, and Pearson's going to ride this, and I'm going to ride that.
What is up, guys? We're gonna do a bit of pit bike follow the leader, baby. Let's go.
Let's turn the gas on. It's in neutral. Let's stand up. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Your thing stalled. You need to make sure it's running, Pearson. You ready?
God dang it.
Oh my gosh. They're like the same motor. I mean, they're not the same motor, but like, dude, they're like the same.
Yeah, yeah.